Hey guys, this is Arya from CRUKING. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the construction site to show you a KOMATSU PC56-7 Excavator. Now let's talk about what makes the PC56-7 Excavator stand out. This excavator is powered by a robust engine and a precise hydraulic system, delivering exceptional power and agility. Whether you are digging trenches, laying foundations, or clearing debris, this machine gets the job done with ease. With a standard bucket capacity of 0.2 cubic meters and a total weight of 5,300 kilograms, powered by a 34.6 kilowatt engine model SEV87E-1. running at an impressive 2,300 revolutions per minute, and with a displacement of 2.434 liters. It got the muscle to tackle any job. When it comes to reach, the PC56-7 Excavator, with a maximum digging height of 5,850 millimeters and a maximum dumping height of 4,160 millimeters, is capable of reaching new heights, and with a maximum digging depth of 3,800 millimeters and a maximum vertical digging depth of 3,020 millimeters. Now let's talk size. With dimensions of 5,935 millimeters in length, 1,960 millimeters in width, and 2,550 millimeters in height, this machine strikes the perfect balance between compactness and capability. Whether you are navigating tight job sites or maneuvering through rugged terrain, the PC56-7 Excavator gets the job done with ease. So there you have it, the KOMATSU PC56-7 Excavator, with its impressive performance, versatility, and durability. It's no wonder why it's a favorite among construction professionals everywhere. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.